Now let's talk about interrogative words what, which and whose. As determiners, these three can perform two roles. One that of interrogative determiners and the other of relative determiners. As interrogative determiners with what, which and whose, we ask for information specifying something when there are two or more possible answers or alternatives. Let's gain more clarity on this with the help of some examples. What music do you prefer to listen to? What time will the meeting start? Which university did you graduate from? Which player do you think plays the best? Whose books are lying on the table? Whose turn is it now to tend the garden? In the first four examples, we were asking for information specifying someone or something. In the last two, we were seeking information belonging to which person. Now let's see how what, which and whose function as relative determiners. What as relative determiner refers to the whole of an amount, meaning whatever, as in I spent on food what little money I had. We all are curious to know what bonus will be announced. We will finish the work based on what details we have. Which as relative determiner determines something about a noun within a clause and gives additional information about it. Let's see some examples. The quorum was not complete, in which case the meeting was cancelled. They hold weekly get-togethers in which only invitees are allowed. We have a house in the woods in which we spend our vacations. Whose as relative determiner indicates that the following noun belongs to or is associated with the person or thing mentioned in the previous clause, as in there is no point discussing whose fault it was. Those employees succeed whose skills are unquestionable. Steve is the only player whose performance never goes down. What and such are two determiners that introduce an exclamation of surprise, admiration, or similar emotion. These two words emphasize opinions or reactions and are not difficult to understand. Let's see some examples. What a lovely view! What a way to finish the game! It was such a wonderful show. Martha is such a kind soul.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.